Now I want to tell you what is the distance formula in the space, that is in octants. Suppose there are 2 points, any of the point lying in the any octant, then what is the formula for calculating the distance between them? Suppose there is a point P whose coordinates are x1, y1, z1, and another point in any of the octant is Q, coordinates are x2, y2 and z2. Now how we find the distance between these 2 points? Formula is as similar as it was in case of 2D. It is x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square plus z1 minus z2 whole square. Distance between 2 points P and Q in 3-dimensional geometry is given by x1 minus x2 square plus y1 minus y2 square plus z1 minus z2 square. Now our problem is, as in 2-dimensional geometry we know for x-axis y is 0. Similarly here in 3D, what is need to remember? It is for x-axis we should remember y should be 0 and z should be 0. For y-axis we must have x0 and z0, and for z-axis we must have x0 and y0. We should remember. But if we talk about the plane, what is the property of xy plane? If we discuss about xy plane, what is 0? Z is 0. If we talk about yz plane, in the yz plane we must have what 0? X is 0. And in zx plane, in the zx plane, what should we have? We should have y as 0. So for 3D we must remember one, the distance formula, mod of, that is root of x1 minus x2 square plus y1 minus y2 square plus z1 minus z2 square, where x1, y1, z1 and x2, y2, z2 are the coordinates. Number 1, for x-axis y and z0, for y-axis x and z0, for z-axis x and y0, for xy plane z0, for yz plane x0, for zx plane y is 0.